Good morning, guys. It's Monday and I'm online doing university, but I also have a lot of things to do. So what I'm going to do is to be doing university whilst I'm also cleaning and tidying up some things I want to tidy. As a mature student, it can be very overwhelming because I just don't have the responsibility of university. I have many things that I have to deal with as well. So how do I be productive and make sure I don't feel overwhelmed? And this is how sometimes I get on with my life and other things when I have university. I'm doing online. Actually, I'm just, I've connected it to my laptop and I'm just going to put my AirPods in and start cleaning. Guys, so I have finished university and I have also finished tidying up. I've got some more children's folding to do, putting their clothes away and all of that. And I've been busy doing some online group supervision meeting with my school colleagues as well. It's nearly time to prep dinner for the children before picking them up from school. So I'm gonna make mac and cheese for dinner. Guys, are you ready to see my mac and cheese? Here we go. Mac and cheese is ready for dinner for the kids. I'm just going to put it into the oven and then go and finish folding the clothes before tomorrow. Voila, my mac and cheese is ready. The children are going to be very thrilled. They'll be happy to eat this yummy food. The kids are in bed now and I've just finished doing some assignment. Let me show you guys there. So I thought I would record a quick video to tell you all about how it feels like going back into university in your 30s. If you're a mature student and you're thinking about going back into university to study whatever course you have chosen, I would first of all say congratulations to you for making this step. It's really difficult to even think about it, especially when you've got other responsibilities in a way. But I'll say it's a good decision. For me, it was, so it might be a good decision for you if that is what you think. When I wanted to go back to school in my 30s, it was quite exciting. I was like, woohoo, finally, something for me. I can go and learn something and just get a proper career. But then I was also very worried about how I'm going to fit in as a mature student. Is it going to be different this time? Is there going to be anyone my age at university? Would I be able to process information the same as the younger ones or anything like that? But that is how I felt. And surprisingly, when I went, I kind of feel like I didn't really belong anywhere. Some of the young ones I made friends with actually thought I was their age mate. And then they were surprised when I tell them that I was in my 30s and I've got 3 children. So I was able to fit everywhere and mingle with older people as well. So that was like a strong point for me. But some of the things I did find challenging, balancing responsibilities of being a mom, a student, all those other roles that come with it. Intense, I will say. And you have to have a very good support network around you to be able to juggle this. It is very possible. For people who say it's not possible, I'm going to disagree with that. I do feel that from my own perspective, if you want something very bad, there is always a way of making it happen. And I really wanted to go to university so bad. I feel that I had 3 children during my 20s, and for me to escape sometimes and have me time, I wanted to do something productive that is not just wasting my time but equally gave me some sort of achievement at the end of the journey. Do you get it? So instead of like going to do like a job somewhere that is not going to be like a professional job, or just mingling, going to baby groups and just mingling with parents and all of that, which I did, right? I did not stop there, but it got to a point where the children, my babies are able to go to nursery. I also utilized using my friends, my very good friends. I've got a very good social group of friends. They were very supportive of me. So before I make any plans, I sit down with them and I'm like, this is what I want to do. I want to go back to university, but I haven't got much help. Would you be able to do this for me? I was very vulnerable. I just opened up my vulnerability, and I saw the people who were there during those vulnerable times and the people who would want to be there and support me. And up to date, they're the people who are supporting me. And I feel like that is the biggest, greatest gift they could ever give me. I could go to university and say to one of my friends, could you pick this child up for me? Could you do this for me? And then if they also need me, like I'm always available, but I always try my best to be there. So that did help. If you don't have that support, it's not going to work. Also, you do get support from university. They are able to pay for some of your nursery fee. So it's a matter of looking for a good nursery that you think fits with your children's needs, and then you can take advantage of that and go to university. Second, I wanted to speak about is different perspective. So I think if I had gone to university at a younger age, I would have wasted a degree and money. Degree I would have gone for wouldn't be something that would have been able to help me progress in life or help me progress in my future careers. For that reason, I'm really happy that I didn't go to university when I was younger. And also, my perspective really changed. Why I was going to university was more meaningful to me. And the course I wanted to choose was well thought about. I did not just jump into a course and did it. And I tried different courses for several times before actually settling for occupational therapy. So I think for that reason, I feel like it gave me some time to mature and actually realize what will fit me and what I wanted to be in future and what fits my needs, what will prevent me from being bored, because I was really bored with a lot of courses. I did several courses and I'm like, it got to a point I was like, oh my gosh, so I'm not going to be able to find any career in life. Why am I getting bored with everything I tried to do? But this course I have chosen to study now excites me, especially when I go and work in different fields where they do different things all together. It's like I'm not bored stuck in one place. So for that reason, I'm really glad I went into university later. The other thing I wanted to speak about is challenges of adjusting with coming back into studying. I sometimes feel like I'm really stupid and it's very difficult for me to understand simple things that they are teaching. So I would ask for a lot of clarification, whilst some people in the class realize, the younger ones especially, will be like, yeah, I did that for A-level. I understand this. I have done this. Especially sometimes some software words they use, and other apps they have, I don't have it, and then they utilize these things a lot. And I just feel like I'm constantly trying to ask them for what is new that I can use to help me with my studies and make studies a bit more easier for me. With academic work, I really struggle. That's the truth. I really struggle. I'm always passing my modules and all of that, but I do feel that it requires more effort. Sometimes when they are doing group work and group participation, I try my best to take part, but where my mind is wandering into, it's not there. I can't catch up, especially when we're doing uni from home. You've got to find the fine balance of it all. I suppose if I was in a university accommodation and I didn't have any responsibilities, it would have been different, because I would have been able to give my whole attention to just being a student and enjoying student experience. But in my case, I cannot do that. I have other responsibilities as well. It's very difficult to adjust. The most important thing I wanted to talk about is, as a mature student, I don't know, but I feel like I am more disciplined and motivated. I want this so bad. I have people depending on me. So even when I am not feeling well, I feel motivated to do something, try my best so that I don't fail my modules or whatever, because I don't want to resit and I don't want to drop out. A lot of people have dropped out of the course because of other reasons. So for me, it is very, very important that I do not drop out on the course, just to make sure I am at university and take part and also do my assignments so that I don't delay. The good thing about it is I'm able to ask for extensions to help me for my assignments and things like that. So it takes some of the pressure off from me. I have a clearer sense of purpose and direction. So if you want to go to university in your 30s, this video is for you. Please do take advantage of it. Going back is exciting. I try to go to the freshest week. I take part in all of that stuff. There is like a ball coming up soon, my cohort, and I'm going to have that experience as well, so that I don't feel like I didn't have those experiences. But in all, I think going back to school in my 30s is fantastic. I love it, I'm just happy that I have been able to finally find what my passion is and what I want to study, instead of like going to study something and not being sure what I want to do with the degree after I have finished. Well, I've been telling people I don't want to do this degree anymore. I want to be a full-time YouTuber. But that's just me. My mind is always changing on what I want to do. But I love this course I'm doing. I really love it and I'm sticking to it. So yeah, if you want to go back as a mature student, go for it. I am the most chaotic person you've ever met, like the most disorganized person. But under my chaos, I'm still able to function. I don't think it's too late for you. I 100% think you can do it if you want to go and study. I think we need to celebrate our little achievements, and I'm really celebrating myself as a mature student. Not having to drop out from the foundation course and finishing my year 1 and also now in my 2nd year. I feel that I am doing something right, and I'm also utilizing all the opportunities around for me to progress. So it is very important that when you start going to university, you utilize all those opportunities that are available for you to be able to succeed. But when you succeed, make sure that you celebrate those little milestones. This is going to be a new journey of learning new things, finding out new information, a lot of knowledge you don't have any idea of, which I'm really loving, because I come home and I feel like my brain has been fed something powerful that no one can take away from me, and equally giving me the opportunity to be able to have my freedom, financial freedom in future. So yeah, going to university is fun, and in my 30s I think I am doing okay-ish and I'm enjoying it. So if you have applied to university and you've got a place, congratulations. I think this is a brilliant opportunity. Embrace it and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching this video. I've got to wrap it up now and get ready for bed, because tomorrow I'm leaving home very early. Have a lovely evening and I'll see you all later. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye.